and we should be loyal to our country. That loyalty we have to show in all our deeds. Every day we have to do something for the improvement of our country and for the well-being of the fellow beings. All of you should know that for the past 75 years, when you are thinking about the day that 1947, that day onwards, the country went through lot of development. Now it is a fully developed nation. And you children, you have to have a love for our country. Along with this, I would like to remind you that you people are now having online classes. You are attending in Microsoft Teams as a daily class. All the facilities you are enjoying, and you have very good teachers. The quality improvement is given first priority by our honorable chairman Sri Gokulam Gopalan sir. And today also, all the classes celebrated Independence Day virtually. Independent videos were being sent, and few others also took part in many different ways. And we are sharing all these through the social media. So even when you are sitting at home, you are not losing anything. The same way we will be celebrating Onam and all other important days. But on this regard, you should understand that there are children who are not able to get these facilities. So think about those needy people also. And you have high Wi-Fi connections, high-speed Wi-Fi connections, very good gadgets, maybe laptop, mobile, all these facilities you have. But please remember about those children who are needy, who are not able to get all these facilities. So with a passionate mind, we should show compassion to all those children. Be empathetic. Think about them and think in what way you can contribute. The first contribution should be whatever facilities you have got in your life, you should be grateful, and you should make use of it properly. That will be the biggest reward which you can give. And once again, I am wishing you a very happy Independence Day. Thank you. Thank you all. Jai Hind.